Okay.
All right.
Give me some good news.
Finally can actually offer that up for a change. Isn't that so nice? So yesterday was chilly. Today is still chilly. Tomorrow, better.
Okay.
And then it gets really good. Like, where's the good stuff here? Mm-hmm. This is a gradual change for us, but once we start to climb on the thermometer, we're just off to the races
like
here.
A rocket.
I mean, yeah, pretty much. You're just like a rocket. Yeah, exactly. 10 degrees added on with each passing day starting Wednesday into Thursday, and then it just keeps on going, and the warming trend will continue into the weekend. So let's just take a look back. Not to add insult to injury, but we did actually have some snow that accumulated, if you can believe it or not, last night. This is looking back till overnight when we had that little disturbance come in. And really, just because it came through the overnight hours, that was what led to us being able to actually see some snow out of this. It certainly was still cold enough to support that, but Huff's Church ended up with an inch on the unpaved surfaces. Kutztown, as well as West Rock Hill Township, 0.2 of an inch. And then at our National Weather Service regional headquarters, just a trace, but for April, you're not really jazzed about seeing that at this point, right? But as we move forward now, okay, for one thing, that disturbance is long gone, but now we can start to see that jet stream lift north, the warmth come in as a result, and the temperature respond to it by climbing in the next few days. Now, in the last few hours, we've really seen just some nice breaking of the clouds. We'll end up with more sun than anything as the day progresses here. Pleasant afternoon, just still cooler than what we would like. We would normally be up to about 62, and we are likely to not even come close to that in most spots. But this is a pleasant view as they're doing a lot of construction right outside our building. We're taking the shot from our very own station headquarters here, facing south, obviously. And this is that live look at Center City, but you can tell that the sun is reflecting down here, brightening things up. And we're certainly still, again, on the cool side, but now that sun is going to have the chance to really help to warm things up here. And again, the warmer air is nudging in too. So a couple of things that come into play here to allow us to really warm up nicely. But it is chilly for now. Then comes that surge. Jet stream lifts north, and again, that warmth will do the same, and the temperatures just start to skyrocket as a result. So with that, in tandem with that, comes allergy issues. Jim, listen up. He and I, we see eye to eye on this allergy thing. I know Rahel doesn't get impacted by it too much, but if you suffer from seasonal allergies like the two of us, have your meds ready to go for the next couple of days. By tomorrow and Thursday, we're into the upper, say medium to high range here for tree pollen, and it will likely get worse as the temperature keeps climbing into Friday and Saturday. So it's a trade-off, certainly, but personally, I'd rather just deal with the sniffles if it means it's going to be in the 70s. We're not even close to it now, mid-40s mostly across the region as a whole currently, only 34 at Mount Pocono, and I don't expect you're going to climb too much further than this, maybe another 5-6 degrees at max. So this will be a chilly evening for a ball game. I'd advise a nice heavy red or blue sweatshirt out at Citizens Bank Park, but 49 degrees, at least it'll stay dry, and that wind also stays nice and light for us as well. As we take a look at that 70, though, here's the good stuff, Jim. Take a look. Upper 70s Friday and Saturday. It might as well be tail end of May into early June with these kinds of values. And on top of it all, bonus, you get sunshine. Wow. So, hey, if you can pull off a 3-day weekend out of this, burn a vacation day, Friday's the day to do it. It looks like an absolutely gorgeous couple of days. Again, there may be some wet weather by Sunday, but it'll still be warm.
Even if you have to work on Friday, I feel like a lot of people will be skipping
to work,
spring
in the step,
so
no
nice.
kidding.
Listen, if I can burn a day, though, will you approve it? Just tell the boss.
I don't think she approves.
I'll sign your excuse note, but I'm not sure how far I'll get you.
Thanks,
Thank you, Katie.